Hello everyone, this is my review of the Magic John Selfie Stick Tripod, a compact and portable solution for photographing, live streaming, and video recording. It has a pocket-sized